What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nigel, aka Nigel Hinton, and Greg Richie from Citizens Financial.
How you doing?
Nigel from the Hinton Group. Today we're going to be doing an amazing video. And that video is, if you followed my channel and a lot of things that myself and Greg has put up on Instagram and Facebook, is purchasing real estate with cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
And a lot of people will ask about it or kind of have questions about it, like what are the uses, right?
Yeah.
Well, one of the latest and greatest is being able to purchase real estate with cryptocurrency. And the first question would be, is it even possible? Is it real?
Yeah, first and foremost, thanks everybody for tuning in. It's absolutely amazing. It's an amazing opportunity to kind of buy real estate in the first place. The traditional model is a certain portion of that purchase price is a loan. You come to a company like us, Citizens Financial, we take care of you, provide you an exceptional loan product to put kind of that piece of the pie into place. The additional piece is a down payment closing cost. We're just, up until now, traditionally been USD, traditional US dollars, or other countries, other forms of currency. For California, for America, let's call it dollars. You borrow 95%, you finance, your down payment of 5. Let's say you borrow 75%, your down payment is 25%. Nothing's changed, but everything has. Now here at Citizens Financial, with some of our investors, they're allowing us now to close using financing, traditional financing, with the down payment portion and the closing costs can come from cryptocurrency. It's been pretty amazing. We have had about a $4.1 million transaction in Los Angeles and one or two others that are utilizing this right now.
So purchasing real estate with crypto is here, it's real.
Yeah.
It's something that we can walk everybody through and help them close these things. But just to simplify it, if I'm going to purchase a traditional home and I get a mortgage, you know, they call you, call Lisette, call myself.
Yeah.
They get a traditional mortgage. Okay.
So traditionally, what you do is you approach it the exact same way that you would do it regularly. You would kind of reach out to the Hinton team here at Citizens Financial. You provide the information, get pre-approved, go through the process, learn your affordability, learn your ratios, your buying power. Does not change with cryptocurrency or not. It's all a game of ratios. What does change is the down payment closing costs, instead of coming from USD denominations currency, you can then utilize to have the down payment closing costs 100% to be from crypto. We'll go through the process of actually how you utilize that. You have to plan ahead. Technically, you shouldn't get involved in real estate if you're not planning ahead in the first place. So it's kind of redundant. You need to make sure you have all your ducks in a row, plan ahead. Nothing should be emotional, it should be business. So you want to come and contact them. The rule of thumb is we want to have 2 months worth of your cryptocurrency to be taken out of your wallet, your digital wallet, deposited into a traditional format of USD, then be seasoned. We still have the Patriot Act, Bank Secrecy Act information we have to abide by. So that those funds have to be sourced and seasoned for 60 days.
Just like your traditional money. So if you get paid by a paycheck or 1099, if you get any monies into your account, seasoned means it has to be in a bank account for how long?
2 months. Think about the fact that if you have a gift, your father, your uncle, your rich uncle said, hey, I'm gonna give you $120,000 towards your first purchase. That money just showed up in your account. They need to find out where it came from to make sure it didn't come from any ill-gotten gains.
Okay.
So therefore, they want to see 2 months bank statements or to source where those funds came from. Then they're gonna ask for 2 months bank statements from your uncle. Just treat the crypto wallet like your uncle, rich uncle.
There you go.
Hey, we need to know where the money came from. Show us how long you had that money for. As long as you've had it in your possession, in your digital wallet for a certain portion of time. Show the transaction of the digital currency being deducted and settled into a USD denomination and then transferred to your bank account.
Okay.
Show the process, be ready to provide the whole transfer, and you're good to go.
So, I mean, some of you out there that might have quite a significant amount of crypto, you don't have to be a crypto millionaire, but when it first kind of came about, and I had talked to you a long time ago about like, hey, this is going to happen. This is the future. I was confused on how exactly that might happen, and because people have all kind of coins. So Bitcoin is a big one, Ethereum is a huge one. Those are like more the hodlers is what they call it. They buy and hold. There's more of like Bitcoin as a store of value.
Yeah.
But you've got, I don't know how many millions of different, and I don't know if that's even correct, but thousands of altcoins, right? So if you've got 10K in Shiba and 30K in ETH, if you're gonna sell those on your digital wallet into US dollar,
Yep.
is that something that you can do that and you can take it from a staked wallet or basically the savings account on the wallet as well?
Yeah.
That is something that can happen?
Yeah.
Or do you have to take the USD coin and put it in your bank account, in your actual bank account?
So you have, just think about the Forex market. There's hundreds of different currencies out there. You have an interchange of Forex. The dollar gets pinned against the yuan, the euro, continuously. You have to take it out of your wallet. It has to be settled and realized as a USD denomination, therefore be transferred and accounted for the purchase. So
I can't leave it in the digital wallet as USD. I have to transfer that into my bank account. Okay,
Yeah.
that's one thing that I was not clear on
No.
As well.
So let's say that you have $400,000 to $2 million worth of cryptocurrency in the equivalence of USD at a certain point. Let's say you only need 200,000 of that 2 million to use as your down payment. Closing costs, let's say to 25,000. Therefore, you take out the appropriate amount of funds, take out maybe another 12 months worth of payments because you want to actually use the cryptocurrency as your seasoning requirement. 12 months or 18 months of seasoning.
Gotcha.
We actually do financing with crypto where you can buy a $3 million house, 10% down, use the cryptocurrency for your down payment and your closing costs with no reserve requirement. If you're self-employed, we provide some insanely amazing self-employed professional loans where you can buy 10% down, say $2 million purchase price, 1.5 million purchase price, 10%, use 18 months of reserves in crypto. So you want to get out the down payment, the closing costs, and then 18 months worth of reserves in your crypto. Once you're done closing, you can transfer that money back into your wallet.
So you don't even have to use that. You just kind of use that as collateral almost.
You have to have a reserve requirement that's settled. The down payment close costs will be gone.
Okay.
Obviously, it's in USD denomination. It would go to the escrow. That's your down payment closing costs. But the remaining amount of money in your account that you took down just for the reserve requirement, you don't have a contingency to leave it there after you close. It's your money. You can put it back in the crypto market and have it make money for you.
So that's one of the things that I really like to hear because it seemed like more of an advantage than just having traditional US dollars sitting in a bank account, kind of wasting away, especially right now with the inflation the way it is.
Inflation eroding the value of the dollar. So it's a good opportunity to kind of utilize it and actually get a tangible gain with crypto money, get a piece of real estate, and then put it back in the market to have it earn at a higher rate than what the US denomination is doing.
Man, that is crazy. I'm so excited to see how this is
gonna be
moving
great.
forward.
Yeah.
And again, if you guys have any questions about this, if you made it this far in the video, of course, give us a thumbs up, but leave some comments below. That way we know, how to kind of do another video and help you guys out, and even helping ourselves because we're still learning these things.
It's amazing.
And everything is new and changing. So if you want to contact me, you can contact me, Nigel at Citizens Financial, and
Richie at citizensfinancial.co. But please refer to the Hinton team here. They are kind of our experts and the passionate crypto professionals. But we have the opportunities if you're self-employed or you're a wage earner, you can utilize cryptocurrency to buy your home. It's an amazing opportunity.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
You guys have a good day, and make sure you tune in, like, subscribe. Appreciate you, G.
All right.
Thank you. All right, have a good day.